Well, so many of us deal with allergies, anxiety, hormone imbalance, gut issues, even losing weight. But there's a new spot in Nashville that caters to you.
Yes, Stat Wellness knows that every person is different. They offer a deeper approach, helping each client feel their best through medicine and movement. Take a look.
Are you looking to find the root cause of your symptoms?
Well, Stat Wellness focuses on every aspect, like lifestyle, environment, even genes. We're here with Kristen. First, we gotta ask, why open Stat Wellness?
Thank you so much for being here. So my story started in the emergency room where I saw everybody coming in with chronic diseases. And so I looked at our #1 cause of death in the United States is cardiovascular disease. And someone dies every 33 seconds from a cardiovascular event.
Wow.
And so I wanted to take the focus back onto health care and focus on what is the root cause of our symptoms? Why are we so sick in the United States? And how can we get ultimate healing to prevent chronic disease in the future? So it's really to transform healthcare and focus on the whole person.
You say it's medicine and movement. So tell us what all you specialize in.
Yes, so I actually started my career as a personal trainer. So I value muscle. We say at Stat Wellness, muscle is our greatest asset as you age. And so we wanted to create a space where we can be your one-stop wellness shop, from functional medicine to strength training, and really took an evidence-based approach. So our specialties are all over the map. We have dietitians, health coaches, physical therapists. We have functional medicine providers, nurses. So we do IVs, injections. We do body composition because we don't believe the number on the scale matters. We want to track your muscle mass, your visceral fat. We want to see how many calories are you burning. We do VO2 max, personal training, and so much more. So I hope you guys come in and check it out.
Wow, that's amazing. But of course, we know every body is different. So what kind of ailments can people come in for and get help with?
Yes, so we treat anybody from birth to death. So our youngest patients are newborns and our oldest patients 95 right now, and everything in between. The bulk of who we see is 25 to 55. And so we work with autoimmune disease, we work with infertility, hormone management, gut issues. So 1 in 4 people has IBS. IBS is a diagnosis of exclusion, right? We work with heart disease. We work with just longevity. I just want to feel better. I'm tired. People are tired of being tired. So really the whole gamut, but I'd say hormones, autoimmune, gut health, reducing inflammation, and heart health are the biggest.
What would you say ultimately sets Stat Wellness apart from others?
So our approachable pricing and our compassionate team. I think it really comes down to those two things. And people ask me, why has Stat been so successful? And one of the things I tell them is because we listen to our patients and we care. We actually care. One of our core values is having a serving heart. And I think patients feel that and then they spread the word. So I think that's really what sets us apart. And being that one-stop wellness shop, for $185 a month, you can get unlimited health coaching, unlimited dietitian, 5 functional medicine visits per year. You get educational, you get body composition scans, and so much more. So we want to tailor to the masses.
Speaking of success, we want to hear about some success stories of those who have come to see you.
Yes, man, we have so many, but a few that I feel like are relevant to our listeners. One, we had a patient that came in that was getting diagnosed with depression. They wanted to start her on an antidepressant. Then she gets diagnosed with ADD and ADHD at 52 years old, and they wanted to start her on a stimulant. She's been an executive her whole life. She doesn't have ADD and ADHD that started at 52, right? So we check her hormones. We started on some bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. Her depression goes away, her focus improves, and she didn't need to be on a medication for the rest of her life. So a very basic example of how we look at the root cause of the diagnosis or symptoms. We also had a person that came in with neck soreness and just some gurgling. And we asked the right questions, got him in for a CT angiogram, and he had open heart surgery the next day with 98% blockage. So, I mean, that case, we literally saved a life. We also have patients, one of my patients had a C-reactive protein, which is a vague marker of inflammation. Her CRP was at 22. So inflammation is the root of all diseases. And over 2 years, it didn't happen over time or overnight, it was a journey. But over the 2 years, her CRP is now less than 1. And I look at these data points and I'm like, if we can reduce inflammation, if we can optimize our gut, if we can balance our hormones, anything is possible.
All right, find out more about their services and memberships available to help you feel your best. Head to statwellness.com.